Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. So for the longest time, my husband wanted me to make homemade yogurt or dahi. And believe me, I tried and I had to throw so many batches away. Finally, I gave up. I told him I'm not gonna do it. So last November, we went to India and my auntie who's younger than me gave me the best tip. So thank you, Iram, for showing me the right way of making yogurt or dahi. Today I'm going to show you how to make organic yogurt or dahi. For this batch, I'm using half a gallon of organic milk and 4 serving spoons of starter dahi, which is my old dahi. So for my next step, I'm gonna pour the milk and I have to bring it to 1 full boil. Here you go, it's boiling. I'll turn off the heat and let it cool for like 2-3 hours. So this has been cooling for 2.5 hours. Now we are going to preheat the oven for 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna take the starter and mix it. You have to mix it really good, no lumps. We put it in here. Keep the oven light on and leave it for like 3 hours. Do not touch it, do not look at it. Just leave it. It has been 4 hours now and let's check. There you go. Now the next step is I'm gonna put this in the fridge overnight. There you go. This has been sitting in the fridge overnight. Here's my final product. Homemade organic yogurt. Look how thick it is. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe to my channel.